Welcome. If you've ever been interrupted by those playing media notifications from Chrome and want to turn them off for good, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the updated steps to disable them so you can enjoy your browsing without the constant pop-ups. It's quick, simple, and only takes a minute to set up. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your phone's settings. Take a moment to locate the Settings app and tap on it. From here, scroll down until you see the option for apps. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside the Apps menu, you'll find a full list of apps installed on your device. Look for Chrome in that list and select it. Once the Chrome settings open, you'll notice several options related to how Chrome behaves on your phone. Tap on Notifications to move to the next step. Now, this is where the important part happens. Inside Notifications, you'll see a section called Notification Categories. This is where Chrome organizes the different types of alerts it can send you. Tap on Notification Categories, and you'll see a list of categories that can be individually turned on or off. One of those categories will be called Playing Media. This is the one responsible for showing those persistent notifications whenever you play a video or audio file in Chrome. To turn them off, simply toggle the switch next to Playing Media so that it's disabled. Once it's toggled off, Chrome will no longer send you media playback notifications. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've stopped those playing media alerts from cluttering your notification bar. This small change can make a big difference in keeping your phone distraction-free, especially if you use Chrome often for streaming content or browsing pages with autoplay videos. So now you know the updated method to silence those playing media notifications from Chrome. If you found this guide helpful, give it a try and enjoy a cleaner, more focused experience on your phone. Thanks for watching.